Watch this aggressive bus driver. Keep watching. Bus driver taken the shoulder lane to overtake the vehicles at critical junction in highway dangerously. People are standing in bike very near the highway. It was huge risk. Continuing the aggressive driving, bus is now gone very close to truck. Watch again. Heavy truck suddenly moved to left. No indicator. It's a huge risk situation, with many passengers on board. Sudden movement of truck and aggressive driving of bus could have caused a major accident and loss of life and injury. Drive safe.